innovate, enable.
गुड इवनिंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, मास्टरप्रेन्योर सीजन 3 के फिनाले में आप सभी का स्वागत है। मास्टरप्रेन्योर के खिताब को जीतने आए हमारे प्रतियोगियों को आज सामना करना पड़ेगा हमारी एक खास जूरी का। इस जूरी के चेयरमैन होंगे डॉक्टर छत्रपति शिवाजी, CMD सिडबी, और इनका साथ देंगे इंडियन एंजल नेटवर्क की प्रेसिडेंट मिस पद्मजा रूपारेल, ब्लूम वेंचर्स के को-फाउंडर और मैनेजिंग पार्टनर संजय नाथ, सोना ग्रुप के चेयरमैन श्री संजय कपूर और विलग्रो के प्रेसिडेंट मिस्टर PR गणपति, और साथ ही CNBC आवाज के एडिटर इन चीफ श्री संजय पुगलिया। Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to meet the real stars of the evening. I would like to introduce all the finalists of Masterpreneur Season 3. मैं मंच पर बुलाती हूं नमन शाह, फाउंडर क्वेरो, मिस समीना आलम, SDEX एडस्किल सर्विसेज की फाउंडर, शैलेंद्र धाकड़, फाउंडर कामल ऑर्गेनिक्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, मिस स्नेहा प्रिया, फाउंडर SP रोबोटिक वर्क्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, रोटोफाई के आदित्य मोहिंदर, द होम सैलून की फाउंडर ऋषिका चंदन और लूमॉस डिजाइन के गंधर्व बख्शी। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, गिव इट अप फॉर देम। Now it's time for our fourth contestant this evening. Joining us from Chennai is Miss Sneha Priya, founder of SP Robotic Works Private Limited.
So before I start, may I know how many engineers are out there? If you can just raise your hands. Wow, that's wonderful. So others, you might also know a lot of engineers. Now, have you wondered why you took that particular field of engineering? Because somebody told you to? I think most of it is like that. So now, almost 3.2 million engineers are literally manufactured all over India, supplied with only theoretical learning and no real substance. And when they leave college and go to the real world, they settle for irrelevant jobs. So, what if your kid grew up doing something different, more interesting, more practical learning, conceptual understanding, and more technical learning? So that is where I come in. We have a brand called Kidobotics, which is a progressive curriculum on the engineering concepts where the kids of ages 8 to 17 learn everything practically on the engineering concepts of the major fields like electronics, programming, mechanical, which is wrapped up in a form for the fun factor called robotics.
Can you talk about your go-to-market strategy? Are you going to partner with schools, sell to schools or through schools? Are you going to sell directly through students or parents? Just talk a bit about the business aspect.
Our customers are not schools management. Our customers are directly parents. So we market directly to the parents, and the school students come and join with us directly as a separate institute.
What's the barrier to entry into this market?
Our USP is not just the robotics. There are a couple of competitors, I don't say no, but all of them concentrate on project-based delivery. So it is this project, I take 2 days workshop and that's it. I don't do that today. It's a complete package that I'm providing. We give competitions every 3 months once so that the child can upgrade his creativity, all the following qualities of his life. And this is accompanied by IVs, real-time projects like Swachhbot. We recently had that, which cleaned the beaches, Marina Beach in Chennai. So all these kind of projects and stuffs we launch to make sure we keep everything intact.
रनर्स अप भी हैं, और वो कौन है रनर अप इस सीजन के जो विजेता के एकदम करीब आए हैं लेकिन शायद हल्के से कुछ पॉइंट से चूक गए हैं? संजय कपूर, प्लीज बताइए.
The two runners up this evening, or the joint runners up, are Sneha and Rishika.
मास्टरप्रेन्योर ऑफ द इवनिंग या फिर मास्टरप्रेन्योर सीजन 3 के विजेता ये चेयरमैन ऑफ द जूरी ही बताएंगे.
हिंदी में हम लोग कहते हैं कोई आदमी, क्या हम लोग ने धाकर आदमी है. अब जिनका नाम ही धाकर है वो तो लोगों से पीछे तो हो ही नहीं सकते हैं. शैलेंद्र धाकर